Keeping your floors clean can be challenging when life gets busy, especially if you have pets, children, or a household with constant foot traffic. That's where the iRobot Roomba 692 robot vacuum comes in. Designed to automate everyday cleaning tasks, this smart robot vacuum combines reliable performance, intelligent features, and easy-to-use controls to help keep your home cleaner with less effort. The Roomba 692 comes from iRobot, one of the most trusted and recognizable brands in the robot vacuum industry. Built upon years of robotic cleaning innovation, this model focuses on delivering dependable daily cleaning while remaining affordable and user-friendly. At the heart of the Roomba 692 is iRobot's proven 3-stage cleaning system. This system works by loosening, lifting, and suctioning dirt from floors using dual multi-surface brushes and a powerful vacuum motor. Whether you're dealing with dust, crumbs, pet hair, or everyday debris, the Roomba is designed to capture messes before they accumulate. One of the biggest advantages of the Roomba 692 is its ability to clean multiple floor types. The vacuum automatically transitions between hardwood floors, tile, laminate, rugs, and low-pile carpets. This versatility allows homeowners to use a single cleaning solution throughout the entire house. For pet owners, daily shedding can quickly become a challenge. Pet hair often collects under furniture, around baseboards, and in corners where traditional cleaning is easily overlooked. The Roomba 692 helps address this problem through regular automated cleaning sessions that continuously remove loose fur, dust, and debris before they build up. Smart connectivity is another feature that makes the Roomba 692 stand out. Through the iRobot Home app, users can start or stop cleaning sessions, create schedules, monitor cleaning history, and receive personalized cleaning recommendations based on their habits and seasonal cleaning needs. This level of automation helps simplify routine home maintenance. The robot also supports voice commands through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. With simple voice instructions, users can start cleaning without reaching for their phones or pressing buttons, making the experience even more convenient. Navigation is powered by a set of intelligent sensors that help the robot move around furniture, navigate under beds and couches, and avoid obstacles. Cliff detection sensors prevent falls downstairs, allowing the vacuum to clean safely throughout multi-level homes. The edge sweeping brush helps improve cleaning performance along walls and corners, areas where dirt and dust often collect. Combined with the main cleaning system, this feature helps deliver more complete floor coverage. One of the most convenient aspects of ownership is the robot's self-charging capability. When battery levels become low, the Roomba 692 automatically returns to its charging dock. Once recharged, it remains ready for the next scheduled cleaning session, helping maintain a truly automated cleaning routine. Many homeowners choose the Roomba 692 because it offers dependable cleaning performance without the higher cost associated with premium robot vacuums. While it may not include advanced LiDAR mapping or self-emptying technology found in flagship models, it provides reliable everyday cleaning and trusted iRobot engineering at a more accessible price point. For busy professionals, families, seniors, students, and pet owners, the Roomba 692 can significantly reduce the time spent vacuuming floors. By maintaining regular cleaning schedules, it helps prevent dust, pet hair, and dirt from accumulating throughout the home. If you're looking for a smart, dependable, and easy-to-use robot vacuum from a trusted brand, the iRobot Roomba 692 robot vacuum remains an excellent choice. Its combination of Wi-Fi connectivity, app controls, voice assistant compatibility, self-charging convenience, and reliable cleaning performance makes it one of the most popular entry-level robot vacuums available today.